Good morning, grade 2. Our topic for today, location, space, and direction of movements. Let's learn together. Over. The airplane flies over the clouds. Over. The paper plane flies over the table. Under. The boy is hiding under the bed. The book is under the table. Under sa ilalim. The cat is sleeping under the chair. Under. The boy is under the tree. The toy is under the bed. The dog is sleeping under the table. Okay, let's answer page 246 and circle the correct word to complete the sentence that describes each picture. Over and under, ha? Over, under. Okay? Over and under. The ball is over or under the head of the boy. Over or under. Next, number 2. The ball is over or under? Under the legs of the boy. So, ano nga ba ang over? Over ay sa taas mo, above. Nasa taas mo yon, over. Next, under. Under means nandun sa ilalim mo. Next, in front, behind. The boy is in front of the box. The boy is hiding behind the box. In front and behind. The owl is in front of the box. The owl is behind the box. In front, behind. The bear is in front of his house. The bear is hiding behind the tree. Okay, the ball is, where is the ball? In front or behind of the boy. Siyempre, saan ba kapag in front? Nasa harapan. Behind, anong ibig sabihin ng behind? Nasa likod. Is it in front or behind of the boy? Next, number 4. The ball is in front or behind? Behind the boy. Next, the girl is next to or in front of the boy. Next to or in front. Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng next to? Ibig sabihin kasunod. In front, ibig sabihin na sa harap. What's the correct answer? Okay. Next. Identify the location of movement of children in relation to an object or objects. Above, around, inside, on, under. Number 1, Darla is blank the hoop. Above, around, inside, on, under. Okay, the correct answer is inside. Nasa loob siya, di ba, ng hula hoop. Next, Paul and Jim are running blank the circle. Running above, sa taas ba yun? Around, paikot-ikot. Inside, nasa loob ba siya ng circle? On, nasa ibabaw? Or under the circle? Running, okay. Running around. Running around. Running around. Round and round. Round and round. Paikot-ikot. Next, number 3. Peter and Ben are crawling. San kaya sila gumagapang? Peter and Ben are crawling blank the table. Above? Sa taas ba? Around? Paikot-ikot? Inside? Sa loob ba yan? May loob po ba yung table natin? On or under? Okay, secret na yan kasi alam nyo na po yan. Next, number 4. Nena is blank the rope. Blank the rope. Ano kaya yung blank the rope? Nasaan siya? Inside? Under? Around? Above? Ayan. Okay, pag-isipan mabuti. Next, number 5. Jonas is in the skateboard, on the skateboard, under the skateboard. Children raise their hands above their heads, under their heads, around their heads, or under. Okay, next. Location. You can stay or move in different places. The place where your movement is done is called location. Ayun, ibig sabihin, ang location daw yung kinalalagyan mo. Where is the girl? Behind the tree. Where is the boy? Under the tree. You can stay or move in different places. The place where your movement is done is called location. So, yan ay location. Where are the children? The children are in different places or location. When you move, you can go behind, in front, under, or over an object or a person. Over, the boy jumps over the chair. The children are on the monkey bar. Next, let's discuss about space. Space is the area around you where your body can move. Yung space natin ay lugar natin. You should know the kind of space you are occupying to avoid bumping with other people when doing different movement activities. The space around you may be personal space or general space. Ayan, magkaiba yung personal space and general space, ha? Ano daw po yung space? Space is the area around you where your body can move. Personal space. Personal space is the space or area surrounding you where you can move within your body extensions. Yung mga naaabot mo lang kapag ikaw ay nakatigil. Okay, nakatigil ka lang. Personal space mo yan. Sige nga, abutin nyo po. Hanggang kung saan lang yung maaabot mo, yun ang personal space mo. This is the space directly surrounding you without touching other persons or object. This is also called your self-space. Personal space or self-space. Ayan, kapag po in-stretch nyo yung arms nyo, ayan, personal space nyo yan. Next po is general space. General space is the total area which you share with other pupils or persons during an activity. For example, sa classroom. Ayan. Di ba marami tayo magkakasama sa classroom? Ayun po ay general space. Area which you share with other pupils or person. This is the open space other than your personal or self-space. You use the general space when you make locomotor movements. Ayan. Saan tayo pwede makapunta? Abot tanaw natin yung mga tao. General space po natin yon. Next, direction. Direction refers to the way your movement goes. This also refers to the desired method of movements. Whether it's up, down, forward, backward, sideways, or even multi-directions. When you move up your body or the parts of your body are moving toward the sky. Up, 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 pataas, up. When you move down your body goes toward the ground. Down, 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 pababa. When you move forward, your body leads to the front. Kapag forward, paharap tayo. Kung saan tayo nakaharap, forward yon. Next, paano naman yung backward? Your back body leads when you move backward. Pabalik. Okay po. Patalikod ka maglakad. Kaya nyo po ba yun? Next, when you move sideways, your right or left side leads. Ayan. Kunyari, to the left, to the right. Okay. Parang minamagnet tayo, kunyari, ng right hand natin papunta sa kabilang wall. To the right. Okay, papunta. To the left. Ayun, pupunta tayo doon. When you move in different directions, you call this multidirectional movements. Multidirectional kasi iba-iba na yung movement mo. Okay. Let's keep in mind, location of movements may be behind, in front, under, over of an object, or a person. Next, personal space or self-space refers to the space directly surrounding a person where he or she moves without touching other persons or objects. Next, general space refers to the space that a person shares with other persons during the activity. Yung sharing space natin. Next, direction of movements may be up, down, forward, backward, sideways, or sideward, and multidirectional. For our activity, answer knowledge, page 252. And our assignment, over-under game. Tingnan po natin sa page 252. Video ha. Play with 2 to 3 family members or friends. Nandyan po yung instruction. Okay? Okay. That's all for today. Bye!